Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will try my best to explain the fsQCA result, which is quite complex to interpret for the beginners, but for intermediary, it's fine, right? So when will you interpret the output, we need to focus on three measurement metrics. So for example, first one is raw coverage, second one is unique coverage, and third one is consistency. So what are these output actually? So without spending much time on theory, I'm just directly going to the result interpretation section. So in this table, actually, we have 8 solutions for 6 combination of the factors or construct or variable. So here you can see 3 measurement metrics: raw coverage, unique coverage, and consistency. And here you will find the overall solution consistency, coverage and solution consistency. So say for example, raw coverage. Actually, raw coverage, this here you can see, this indicate how much of the outcome is explained by a particular combination of condition. Say for example, the combination this one. I mean, here is absence or negation, here is absent, then all are presence, right? So combination of combination of these factors explain 35.83 or 35%. Can you please see here 35% of the outcome? It means the raw coverage is present in here, right? So based on this raw coverage, okay. So what is unique coverage? This represent, I mean the unique coverage represent how much of the outcome is uniquely explained by the particular combination of the conditions without overlapping with other configurations. For example, for instance, for this combination, the unique coverage is only 3.21%, 3.21%, right? At the same time, the consistency, this measure how consistent the combination of condition is in producing the outcome. This is the final goal actually. A higher consistency score, it's greater than 80%, right? Higher consistency score indicate that the combination is more reliable associated with the outcome. For say, for example, for this combination, I mean this solution one, for this combination, the consistency value is around 97%. It's the solution is more reliable actually, right? Here you'll find, meaning it consistently lead to the outcome of the data. On the other hand, the overall solution coverage is 72% and solution consistency is 87%. So from this table, actually, we can say here all the consistency is greater than 80%. So we can say all this solution can lead to explain the output variable, I mean the customer satisfaction. So all solutions are reliable. So if you think which one is the best solution, so according to the result, here you can see the solution 8 provides the more and more reliability is because of its very high consistent is showing very high consistency value within this 8 solution, right? So if you have an option or if you have a chance to make a one decision, if you have to choose one solution, then solution 8 is better rather than the other solution. But overall, 8 solution is fine. 8 solutions is reliable to explain the outcome or output variable. But among these 8 solution 8 is more reliable, right? Solution 8 is more reliable. So I hope you understand the explanation of this table and how you will explain the intermediate solution which has produced from the fsQCA result. In the next session, we will learn how to create a XY plot, right? So based on any one solution actually, as all the solutions are reliable, so we can rely on. So I will not, for tutorial purpose, I will not show all the solutions XY plot. Maybe for tutorial purpose, I will show one plot actually. Then it's your duty or responsibility to practice at your home, and you can produce all 8 XY plot. So after the next video, okay, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.